name is Karin Forsman and I work as a marketing assistant here at Tubus System Sweden. What I like is the variation and the freedom that I have in my role. A typical day for me could be that I do posts for social media. I work with a website. I work with our webinars, our seminars and also our fairs together with our salespersons, among other things. Working as Tubus System I think is very interesting. I learn a lot, new things almost every day, and I explore myself as a person. I grow at Tubus System. It feels like you're a big family. You know all the people and you're very well taken care of from day one. If I would describe Tubus System in 3 words, that would be sustainable, available and service-minded. One thing that I don't think that people don't know about me is that I was engaged with my current husband after 2 months when I was 18, and we are still going strong. My life motto is take care of every day in your life.